Do you get tagged on lots of posts on LinkedIn? Maybe you are. How do you remove tags of yourself on LinkedIn so that you're no longer getting notified of lots and lots of posts? So yesterday I met somebody who is on the board of directors for several organizations, and she was telling me that when she goes to LinkedIn and she goes to her notifications, she has lots and lots of notifications. But she might speak on a panel at something and then she gets hundreds of notifications about that one event. So your notifications are in here, and you'll see that a lot of my notifications are posts that mention you, for example. Okay, so how do you remove yourself from an individual post on LinkedIn that you are currently tagged in? So go to the post and you'll see my name here. This means I'm tagged in this post. So if we click on the three little dots at the top right hand side of this post, you click on remove mention. If I click on remove mention, it says, are you sure you want to remove this link to your profile? I'm not going to do this for Suzanne's post, but this would then turn this into a non-clickable link. Side note, if you want people to click on this to go to your profile, leave yourself tagged in the post. So that's how you remove yourself on individual posts that you're getting notifications on. If you are someone who doesn't want to be tagged in any posts, this is how you do it. Go to your Me drop-down menu, go to your Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy screen, on the left-hand side, go to Visibility. This opens up visibility of your profile and network. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Click on Mentioned by Others on the right hand side, and this is where you toggle this to off so that you're no longer taggable in content posted on LinkedIn. Let me know if you have any questions about this. You can always go back in and change it if you want, but hopefully you'll find this useful. Let me know of any questions down below.